Baku Stock Exchange conceals information on securities transactions in the OTC market, and State Committee on Securities is covering up this activity, alleged Hafiz Babalı, editor-in-chief of the www.sehm.az analytical stock portal, at a press conference today. According to Babalı, the publishing of information on OTC transactions was allocated to the Baku Stock Exchange by the SCS. This is in accordance with the rules of operations in investment securities adopted in August 26, 2011. For unknown reasons, the adoption of this document was only publicized in December 2011, and the stock market began to disclose information on corporate OTC transactions in January 2012. But now, Baku Stock Exchange has suddenly stopped disclosing information starting from March 5th until June 19th. According to Babalı, the explanation for this is the disclosure of information about several companies regarding the buying and selling of control share packages in February 2012. These companies were indirectly owned by Ferhat Aliyev, former Minister of Economic Development. Babalı stated that Baku Stock Exchange must publicize the information about depositories 2 days after this information is received. This information must include the date, number, value, and price of transactions, but as of June 19th, Baku Stock Exchange has been publishing information on OTC transactions in a different way. The information published by the Baku Stock Exchange is analytical and thus completely contrary to the normative legal act of the SCS, noted Babalı. According to the rules of the State Committee on Securities, the information on OTC transactions is submitted to the Baku Stock Exchange for the guarantee of fair prices and increased transparency. The recent acts of the Baku Stock Exchange breach these principles.